What I eat in a day, calorie deficit plus intermittent fasting. Beshies, Lose It pala yung gamit ko na app to track my calories and intermittent fasting. And today I fasted for 16 hours and 2 minutes. For our first meal of the day, nagluto ako ng pork giniling. Meron tayo ditong white rice, egg, and then pepino. Ang perfect ng pagkaluto ko, beshi, sa itlog kasi ganito yung gusto ko, yung malasado pa. Anyway, for our snack of choice man, we're having piatos na spicy cheese flavor. And for our next meal, kumain ako ng rice, itlog na maalat, we have kamatis, pipino, and mangga. Grabe, beshies. Kumakain din ba kayo nito? Pag-oong na lang yung kulang dyan. Anyway, for our dessert, we're having yogurt, the strawberry flavor, and dark chocolate decadence na granola. Total calories for today is 1,259. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!